No, he spray painted the whole side of the house too, this asshole. Yep, been brand new siding.
What'd you do over there at her house?
I fucking spray painted asshole on her house.
Why?
Because she's an asshole.
What else did you do?
Estos son momentos en los que los vecinos delirantes actúan como si las leyes no existieran, empezando por esta pareja que pensó que gritar "cuarta enmienda" era una carta para escapar de la realidad. El 16 de abril de 2024, los agentes fueron llamados a atender una disputa de propiedad entre una pareja que se negaba a que un camión de incautación se llevara sus pertenencias. Lo que debería haber sido una llamada de rutina se convirtió rápidamente en un testigo directo de un delirio sin filtros.
It's a violation of our Fourth Amendment. This is not acceptable for you guys to be here. This is so unacceptable. You don't come in and seize people's property illegally. There's nobody in America who would look at our yard and say
that you need to come through this
property and
get off my property now.
You need to calm down,
No,
I can sell what I want on my property.
Get the
You're supposed to be for us.
We can agitate,
Where's my
yell,
search
scream,
warrant?
whatever. This is
Fourth
our
Amendment
house.
search and seizure. Where's it at?
You need to read the paper.
I don't know what that says.
You need to do
can
your
sign
job.
anything you
I have a
want.
Fourth Amendment.
Give me a judge's
Call your
sign.
Y'all got work to do.
You do not have the right to be here. Y'all don't even have the right to be here. I don't care. I want everybody off my property. I'm tired of this. This is my home.
They're trying to
Get
seize
off.
our property.
Did a judge sign a search and seizure property? Get off now. Now get off my property.
Don't touch him.
Get out of here.
Get off my property.
Get out of here.
Get off my property. Don't touch me. Get off my property. Where's the paperwork that y'all let to be on my property? Got by a judge. I don't care. Is this signed by a judge?
Read it, Henry.
It don't matter.
Los oficiales intentaron mantener la relación civilizada, pero la pareja tenía su propia idea de cooperación, y esta no implicaba escuchar.
Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor down here now.
Henry, it's hard for us to talk to people with you yelling.
I don't care.
The radio,
You come on my property. I don't
you
want
want us to talk to people, we can't talk with you
Get
yelling.
your supervisor out here.
Okay, well, I need you to calm down.
Cop, right?
Okay.
Where's your search warrant?
Henry.
Search and seizure warrant.
I've been nice to you as long as I've
I don't care about being nice.
Okay, I
This is about being nice. This is about you're on my property.
No,
I don't want you. I'm a homeowner. I want them off my
I
property.
understand, I understand.
I need to agree
Look.
to a special magistrate. Both parties had to agree. Calm down.
Listen, the way they've got the paperwork.
No, it's not. They're going to search. That's not one. You have to have a to search or seizure my property. If you take anything off my property, you are stealing my stuff.
Okay, you don't have to yell at me. All right, I'm doing my job. All right, look.
No, you're not doing your job. Have them remove my property.
Y justo en ese momento, comienzan a explicar que la ley no se aplica a ellos, porque nada dice experto y legal como citar memes de Facebook en un enfrentamiento.
Here to support them. I got called.
Support them. You're supposed to support me.
I'm trying to.
That
Okay.
is. What the f is that?
Why you?
That's not a search and seizure.
I've got my
That's
supervisor.
about get him here.
I am. I've called him on.
Without a search and search warrant, he don't have the right to be on my property.
No, listen. I just don't think you understand the
I don't think you
warrant.
understand the search warrant.
Henry no habla, no escucha y definitivamente no se va. Y aunque la policía claramente espera que esto termine pronto, estos dos apenas están empezando.
Why do you keep talking about a search warrant, Henry?
You have to have that to
Search and
take somebody's
seizure
property.
warrant.
Why don't you know that?
You're a
Get the
cop,
fuck out of
sir.
our yard, you idiot.
Why are you screaming at me?
Because I can't believe what
That's
you're
what it
doing right
takes.
now. I'm saying get these
Change
people off my
only
yard.
happens
You know
this
that.
way.
You are a law officer.
Okay, right. Talk to me. Listen, if I need educating, educate me. But
Okay, I'm going to educate you.
okay, educate me.
You have to have a search and seizure form, Fourth Amendment,
They
for
are
him to come on my
seizing
property.
property.
This is all bullshit. What's going on here, y'all?
No,
They're getting $7.5 billion. They're stealing people's property, and they're selling it back there.
Listen. They're doing you wrong.
Get
That's one
away.
thing.
Get away from them stuff.
Get off.
Get off the
Get
property,
off.
man.
No.
Get off the property now.
Listen, Henry.
No,
Get off
shut
my
up.
No!
Get
I'm
off
taking
my
you to jail.
property.
You're on my property illegally. Call the sheriff's department. They are taking my things, officer. You're allowing it. Work for them.
No, they haven't paid me any money.
Then why are you not getting them off my property? Why do they have the right to be on my property? Get them off my property.
The paper says that they have.
You're my public. You're acting as a militia right now.
Henry, I can't do that.
Man, yes,
Oh, hey,
you
look,
can.
all I can do.
Why can't you?
Why don't you?
Why
call
can't
the
you get them off? Why can't you get them off my property? Do
They
that.
have a. They're the ones.
They have what? What do they have? Oh,
Okay.
what piece of? What is this?
You want to chase people around for bench warrants? Do your job.
What is this? What is this? Because a piece of paper? I got.
Have you read it?
Man,
read it.
I've already read it 100 times.
No es ningún misterio por qué los vecinos no los soportan. Hacen tanto ruido que se considera una alteración del orden público sin siquiera rozar la ley.
Either go inside or go away.
Our supervisor's here. They're coming. Henry.
Why are you here? Why are you here? Who said you could be here?
Why? Why
out there. Who says that?
No, they didn't.
Show me that. Where's the paperwork?
No, they didn't. The last time
This is not by a judge. It has to be signed by a judge.
Hey, look, if I was you, I would call code enforcement and talk to them about it.
No, I'm calling law enforcement. Code enforcement. It says law-abiding citizen, not code-abiding citizen.
Right now, we're interfering with the city of Panama City. And
You're my public servant. I'm invading my fourth. Exactly. Why the are they here? Taking my
Read the paper.
the paper did it just said.
I need you to back up, please. I don't want you to get hurt. Please back up.
Call the sheriff.
Amber.
Call the sheriff.
Hey, Henry. Our supervisor's here if you want to go talk to him.
Take somebody.
All right.
Oh, search and seizure warrant.
Calm down.
They don't have a search and seizure warrant. Don't let it my Fourth Amendment. I want them off my property.
Calm down. My understanding is those paperwork that were served here the other
Not by
day.
judge. No, sir, not by judge. Not legal. That is just a code enforcement. I want a law enforcement judge for such a seizure warrant right now. I'll get them off my property.
Give me 1 second.
Bullshit right here.
En este punto, los oficiales podrían haberlos arrestado 5 veces, pero todavía están tratando de razonar con las personas que piensan que la escuela de derecho de TikTok es legítima.
Show me what you got.
Where's the judge signed off by that? Bullshit. That's toilet paper. I got one I can write too. There's no judge court order than that. Get the off my property. Get the off my property.
Henry, look, you want me to talk to you like a grown adult?
Yeah, I'm talking to you like a grown
Then walk to me out of the street and I'll talk to you like a grown adult. Come on.
You do not have search and seizure warrant signed by a judge. Get the off my property. Rowan is not a judge, is he?
Denise Rowan
Is
is
that
a
a judge?
She's a special
That's
magistrate.
no judge signed that.
Hey, Magistrate Sunday.
You gotta go back to school, bro. You gotta go learn the law.
Okay.
I cannot believe you don't know the law.
It's
Who
a
ordered
valid
this shit?
document,
Yeah,
yeah.
a valid document maybe for him, but not for me. It's a search and seizure warrant.
Have you read it?
Search and seizure. I read it. That's time. That's my
What
law.
does it say?
It doesn't matter what it says, Turner.
What
It
does
says
it say?
okay,
It says I'm garbage.
Intentar hablar con Henry es como discutir con un cono de tráfico. Y sin embargo, de alguna manera, cree que gritar cuarta enmienda una y otra vez lo hace invulnerable.
I'm trying to be as calm
No,
as I
I'm
can
trying to
be.
be as calm as I can. You
don't step back and let these people do your job,
what
you're gonna have a bigger
I don't have to step back on my property. That's called
Okay.
kidnapping.
So
If
step
you
back.
no, I will not go anywhere. It has to be a search and seizure warrant signed by a judge.
Why?
Drive.
You know, explain it
I
to
just
me
read your
why.
law. I'm going back your law. You can expand, but you can't restrict.
Explain it to me. Read it. Tell me why.
Fourth Amendment.
Why does it
You
have
don't
to
even
be
know
a
the Fourth
search and
Amendment.
seizure
Do you know
warrant?
the First Amendment? Do you know any amendment?
Explain it to me.
Do you know
Henry.
anything? Why are you wearing
does
an
it
officer?
have
Why are
to
you
be
wearing that badge?
Why does it have to
Why
be
are
a
you wearing
search
that
and
badge,
seizure
man?
warrant?
Because they are seizing my property when I'm asking them out to
Okay,
be
but
on it.
explain to
They're
me
not
how-
allowed to go on private property. They don't even know the statutes. They don't even know the amendments.
Have you read the paper, Henry?
Read the paper.
I'm asking you. It's your house, man.
That paper's garbage. You're not supposed to be on
Get the
You
off our
don't even know the rules. Get them up. Go touch
hands off of him.
man.
Henry,
Don't touch me.
you try me again, I will take you.
Shut your now.
Sit in the car.
Con Henry y Amber todavía negándose a moverse y todavía citando la Constitución como si fuera un hechizo mágico, los oficiales solo tienen una opción.
What you supposed to do?
Get down.
Can I move my
Get
vehicle?
down. No.
No.
Move and let him tow it.
No, I'm not telling you to. I'm going to go. I need to move it for him, Officer Turner.
Put her in your car.
Let me go.
Come on, Amber. We're gonna walk around.
Let go.
Amber, we're going to go sit in my car. Come on.
No, we're not. You're not
Amber.
towing my vehicle.
I don't care what it says because it's not signed by a judge.
In the effect of this document, yes, a magistrate is the same as a judge.
I have a
Yes.
search and seizure warrant.
Amber fue arrestada y acusada de obstrucción sin violencia. Y después de una larga y ruidosa lucha contra la realidad, tanto ella como Henry finalmente se encontraron con la verdadera ley. Pero el siguiente chico apuesta por la actitud y el tono de piel.
Why are you irate? You seem like you need mental health assistance. You okay? Black Lives Matter, man.
El 22 de junio de 2024, los oficiales respondieron a una llamada sobre una disputa entre vecinos. Bastante rutinario, hasta que conocieron al hombre que estaba detrás de todo esto.
Hello. You having issues with your neighbor?
Yeah, but make it so bad, I'm a little pissed off. Because he went over there and started with them first, and the police came. Nobody came over here, knocked on his door.
Was that
Nobody
the one
asked
earlier?
anything. And 5 minutes later, he back here busting our windows. Now, mind you, we don't know from me to them. We all don't know what his problem is. He just came out acting crazy. He threatened her. She called the police. They came. They talked to her for 5 seconds and pulled off. 10 minutes later, as we're standing there, they like, there he is right there, and we heard smash. He smashed 2 windows.
Okay. How did that one get smashed?
You gotta ask him. Something
Okay.
wrong with the dude right now.
Las discusiones son una cosa, pero cuando se destroza una propiedad es cuando interviene la policía. Y cuando los oficiales intentan hablar con él se aleja como si fuera un VIP en su propia escena del crimen.
All right, 1 minute. Can you take a look at their house? They're saying that they have busted windows. I didn't see it.
They said a car. This SUV? Whose car is that?
Hello.
Hello, gentlemen.
What's going on?
So I just got home.
But do you want to talk? Do you want to talk inside so they don't have to hear everything that's going on?
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
So
what's going on?
So I just got home. The guy on the left has a 9mm. He had rubber gloves on, had a silencer on it. You can see the bullet hole through there. I don't know what's going on. This also.
Okay, can you show me inside? Because if there's a bullet hole, then I need to see that.
Los oficiales le piden que muestre el agujero de bala por el que está gritando. Y de repente se convierte en un juego de adivinanzas.
Yeah, I'm pressing charges too.
Oh, what?
Read a book, you.
got some.
Read a book. Why are you pulling guns out? Why are you violence?
Can you show me where this bullet hole is?
I don't think I want you in my house. I
Okay,
don't trust local
then-
police officers.
Then you can't say that your house got shot at all. Have that. There's a hole in the window. It's not a bullet hole.
Let me double check before you.
I have to see the actual end hole.
You have no permission to enter my house.
Okay. All right. Well.
Whose zero emission car is that? That's yours? Okay. The GMC?
Yes, that's
Okay.
right.
But then this Nissan's hers or?
Yeah, that's hers.
Okay.
Me and my husband wasn't even here.
Okay.
The woman right
So
there.
what
with
happened
the-
today?
with the- I just got home in my house and my window busted out. I came outside to see what was going on, and they pulled a pistol on me in my driveway. This is private property. All of this, these cars, there was 3 cars there. They're not supposed to be on my property.
What broke your window?
So
Can I look or no?
I don't think there's a bullet hole. I don't
Okay,
know.
but what broke your window? Because if it came from outside, it'd be inside your house.
I don't know.
So can I look?
Primero es un agujero de bala, luego es una ventana rota. Cuanto más habla, más claro lo ve. No se trata de coches ni de propiedades. Se trata de su derecho y del racismo que lo alimenta.
You can enter the foyer, no other room.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm gonna put a restraining order on everyone in that household as well. I don't feel safe. So, and I'm not doing protective custody or anything like that because no.
Okay, so assuming that rock is not normally inside?
No, it's not.
Okay, so if you were a rock through your window. then-
Yeah,
Okay. Do you have cameras out here?
I do not. I need all these vehicles off my premises.
Then you asked! You don't go busting windows! What the hell wrong with
Why
you?
are you irate? You seem like you need mental health assistance. You okay?
No,
You need mental health assistance.
Okay. Just ignore him.
Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Black Lives Matter, man.
I get that.
Black Panthers too, right, buddy?
I get you.
You need mental health, bro.
I just don't want anything to escalate from here is all I'm saying, okay?
Él contraataca como si fuera la víctima. Pero vamos, solo mira a tu alrededor. Como no hay cámaras de seguridad y la discusión no avanza, los agentes empiezan a preguntar.
Do you guys know what your property line is by chance? I know obviously the driveway up to a certain point.
Listen, to be honest with you, I would say from where the line ends, right here.
Yeah, that would be my guess for it.
So even though cars on her property, he could have came and knocked on the door.
Yeah, no, I get that.
Like, really, sir? There was no reason. The brick is still there. There was no reason for him because this car is not even on his
Do
property.
you know what happened to his window? Because there's a rock inside.
Me and my husband wasn't even here. My kids, we went to go stay the night with our kids.
You're still
He
confused
came back busting
what?
windows.
about his behavior?
No, so we're just trying to get everything situated
All
before we-
facts, huh?
Exactly.
How did their windows end up getting broken?
I have no idea. That's what I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
There's windows broken out.
Yeah, there's a lot of windows broken.
Se apoya fuertemente en el privilegio blanco, pensando que todo lo que diga se mantendrá. Pero la ley no funciona así, y estaba a punto de aprenderlo de la manera más difícil.
Let me give you the report number. All right, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hold on, what's going on? What's going on? Don't, hey, you're in my house. You didn't have a warrant. Why are you in my house? Stop! Why are you in my house? Put him against the wall. No, don't hurt me, man. What are you guys doing? Why are you arrested? Stop! Why are you? You are under arrest. Stop fighting. You're under arrest. I'm not doing anything. You're gonna get tased. I didn't do anything. Put your hands behind your back. I didn't do anything. Why are you guys doing this? No. What are you doing? Give me your right arm. No, I didn't do anything. What are you doing? In my house. You don't have a warrant. This is illegal.
Al final, salió con cargos de resistencia, obstrucción y 2 cargos de daño criminal. Esta siguiente mujer convirtió todo el vecindario en un circo de una sola mujer.
Stole my glasses too.
Where, she still got them?
She break them? I can't tell you.
I was so scared. He said, I'm going to get you. I said, man, sir, leave me alone.
How did he scare you?
Let him figure it out.
El 28 de enero de 2024, la policía de Florida respondió a una llamada sobre una mujer que atacaba a un adolescente repartiendo volantes. Lo que no sabían era lo extraño que iba a ser todo esto.
As I'm putting up my groceries, I heard stuff.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Okay, stay right there. I'll be talking to you in just a second.
So my kids are out riding their bikes, so I heard yelling. I'm like, okay, one of my kids are fighting, whatever. Come out. She tried to steal his bike. Like, it was her. She was the aggressor.
So I saw the same thing. I'm on my way up to Montgomery, and I saw these two in some sort of verbal argument. And
Hey! Stop, please!
There's something wrong.
And then she began to chase him, and then she went after the bike, and it was when he took his bike back from her that she struck him several times, and he just kind of shielded himself, walked down the street. That's when I stopped.
I stopped him. I just was like, I don't know what to do. Can you call the cops?
So you saw her hit him?
He went into this house right here. He started walking away, and then
I'll go.
I was getting ready to call.
Stay in your porch. Stay on your porch. I'm not going to tell you again.
La mujer siguió intentando hablar por encima de todos, pero el oficial no la creyó. Primero, necesitaba la historia completa. Y por suerte, tenía a la persona adecuada para eso.
Tell me what's going on, bud.
I was putting flowers all up on houses. Sure. I went over there to that house.
Okay.
And I was about to put a flower up. She started talking to me, and I couldn't understand what she was saying, so I came closer to her. And she was like asking questions like where my dad works, why am I trying to do this and all that. She just stole my flowers. And I was like, can I get those back, please?
So she grabbed, you had a bunch of them? She grabbed
Yeah,
a bunch of them?
in this orange thing.
Okay.
He's trying to make money.
And I'm good with that. Yeah. That's okay.
And then she ran over there to that house. Can't really see too well because of my glasses. She stole my glasses too.
Where, she still got them?
Did she break them?
I can't tell you. She took
them off her face?
Yeah, I'm telling you. She tried to put her hands on me.
Okay. Will you guys do me a favor? Hang here for a second, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
She just went around that corner over there.
Yeah.
Los oficiales luego se enteraron de que después de atacar a la joven de 17 años, la mujer corrió a la casa de un vecino, irrumpió y afirmó que ella era la que estaba siendo amenazada, a pesar de que varios testigos la vieron perseguir al niño por la calle.
So what happened now? The best I can gather is this. There's a lady out here. She's obviously either 25 or 21. This kid's trying to advertise business and supposedly hit him.
Stole his wire.
Supposedly he went in. Oh, here's his glasses. All right. How you doing, sir? Can I talk to you for a moment? Can you tell me what happened here? Unbelievable. Thank you. She's not related to this guy over here. She doesn't. It's not her husband. She's just saying.
So she just lied about it?
Yes.
She went in a random stranger.
So that's live in this house. He just confirmed that. The next step is I want to know what you want to pursue charges against her.
Is she mentally handicapped or something?
Honestly is not it's something I can give you to tell you to make a decision.
They're telling me she sounded like she's slurring and up.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Put her ass in jail.
Okay. So
but
you want
if she's mentally handicapped or something, like, where's her people looking after her? Like, you know what I mean?
She's not mentally handicapped. We need
okay, if she's not mentally handicapped, man, yeah, you don't put your hands on a minor. He's out here trying to do good. All his boy does is go to church, go to the gym, and go home.
I get it.
Una vez que los hechos estuvieron claros, llegó el momento de confrontarla y, como era de esperar, de repente no pudo. Recordó algo y empezó a buscar todas las excusas posibles, como si tuviera una tarjeta de fidelidad de mal comportamiento.
Hello? Yeah. What happened with you and this young fellow over here?
him over my house and said, "Sir, get away from my house."
Okay.
He said, "I'm selling a sir."
So he came to knock on your door?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what happened?
I gave you the paperwork.
Uh-huh.
I was so scared. He said, "I'm going to get you." I said, "Sir, leave me alone." Paperwork here. I ran into my neighbor's house. So scared. He called 911. I hope he did. I ran into my house and I went to bed. But yeah, he scared me.
How did he scare you?
Did you get the paperwork?
Mm-hmm.
So leave me alone.
But how was he scaring you? What was he doing that was
He
scary?
kept banging on the door. Went around the corner banging. I live by myself. I'm scared. I said, "Leave me alone." I paid for this house.
Simple. Finish your story.
No, I'm good. Are you good?
No, not yet. So he's knocking on your door,
He won't,
trying to sell you
He
something.
won't leave my house.
What made you run across the street to your neighbor's house?
What would you say?
I'm asking you. I wasn't here. So, I mean, I'm just
Okay.
trying to understand what was going on that would make you run to your neighbor's
Let
house.
him figure it out.
You can't go inside yet.
You're under arrest
For what?
for battery on a juvenile.
A juvenile again.
Yeah, he's only 17 years old. Don't pull away and don't resist.
I told him, "Get out of my yard."
Well, when you call him over to your yard,
I did not.
ask him to come to your yard,
No,
then you
you
go
don't-
break into your neighbor's house
No, you-
without permission and try to destroy his property that you took out of his hand.
My neighbor said that?
You did that.
You did that.
Did my neighbor say that?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Pay for it.
Have a seat. Now you got a resisting charge.
Get in the car.
I'm not arresting you.
No, I'm arresting you.
No, I'm not arresting.
Nada de esto aterrizó. No solo había atacado a un menor, sino que estaba tan borracha que ni siquiera podía retener su historia en un solo punto. Al final, Tina fue acusada de agresión, robo, hurto y resistencia sin violencia. Si Tina era un acto en solitario en el circo del delirio, estos dos siguientes lo convirtieron en un espectáculo familiar en todo el mundo. El 12 de febrero de 2024, la policía respondió a una llamada de robo de una mujer que afirmó que alguien había entrado a su coche a la fuerza. Pero lo que debería haber sido simplemente un informe de rutina, rápidamente se convirtió en un verdadero drama vecinal.
And he told me that, "Hey babe, your sunroof is open and your two front windows are down."
La mayoría de la gente simplemente declararía y seguiría adelante, pero ella no. Inició una investigación exhaustiva y decidió que sus vecinos eran culpables basándose únicamente en su instinto de detective.
Can you actually open the sunroof by just sliding it, or we have to push the
No,
button?
you have to literally open my car,
And push the button.
turned it on. So you got to turn on the car because you can't roll down the windows, nor can you open my sunroof without the keys in the ignition or jailbreaking it some way somehow in there, hijacking it.
Right.
So it's no way for them to not hijack my car, roll down the windows, do my sunroof, take a $10 bill and leave. The front office people told me, and my dad, I think my dad said he seen someone messing with my car or something, and my dad was like, "Hey, what are you doing?" And then I guess they sped off.
Mientras el oficial intentaba reconstruir los hechos, uno de los vecinos salió, y fue entonces cuando los hechos se pusieron rápidamente ruidosos.
He's one of the guys, and I think it's couple other guys.
He stays in this
Yeah,
apartment,
he's
right?
one of the guys that stay in the apartment complex, yeah.
Okay.
None of your business. Don't talk to my family. You're good. You're good. Because I can. You stay in that apartment complex. Somebody in your house is touching my car. Yes, the fuck you do. You do stay. Lisa, doesn't he stay in that apartment? Exactly. Don't lie. Don't lie.
Jenny, Lisa, are you serious?
I don't with you. So if somebody in that apartment is gonna learn to stop touching my shit, some of us what?
Hey, no. Hey. No. Hey.
I'm not blowing bitch up. Back up.
Okay then. Hit me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
No. Don't arrest her. Don't arrest her because she didn't do anything. Mom. Don't arrest her because she didn't do shit. She didn't do shit. Let her go. She didn't do shit.
oficial logró calmar los ánimos a la antigua usanza, esposando a quien llamaba. Poco después llegaron refuerzos y un sargento, justo a tiempo para que la conspiración se volviera aún más absurda.
Let me talk to you. I know. I understand that. I understand that. But listen, I saw her hitting you in the face.
That doesn't mean I don't want to press charges on her. I don't want her to get arrested.
That's fine.
She's
Still,
stirred.
I'm gonna have to document this because it happened. It happened. Me recording. I'm gonna have to document this. You're not pressing charges. She's not going to jail. I'm gonna have to document.
Okay, I don't want her to go to jail.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna have to document though. This is what happened. Okay.
She's not my girlfriend, no.
I know, she's your neighbor. That's
she's my neighbor, that's all. I don't want to go to jail.
That's fine. I just need to document this. She's not going to jail. You're not cooperating, she's not going to jail.
De repente, todos recordaron que eran vecinos, pero el daño ya estaba hecho, y con toda la escena grabada en la cámara corporal, no iba a desaparecer.
Do you know what might happen if you get in between me and her, like the way you did? Do you know what might happen? No. You could have been you going to jail.
I was letting you know because I was a witness. Let her go because she didn't do anything.
Did you see what happened?
And you keep resisting her. You keep telling me no. You don't tell me no when I'm telling you she didn't do anything.
No,
and I know how you guys nowadays.
Okay, now you don't tell me what to do when I am doing something which is illegal.
You're touching my sister and I'm telling you don't touch her because she didn't do anything. That's the only thing I told you.
Tras hablar con la otra hermana, los agentes se dieron cuenta de algo importante. Esto no era un asunto de una sola mujer. La soberbia venía en un paquete. Y pronto se dieron cuenta de que se habían equivocado de hermana.
You can drop the charges later.
Literally said if I give you my first name information, she's not going to jail.
Well, because she's being all difficult, right? Wife and the other daughter here?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Can I speak with the daughter?
Yes, sir.
Let me talk to you real quick. Do you know the meaning of obstruction?
11 years old.
Okay. So obstruction is when you interfere with the investigation, okay? The investigation can be the arrest or not the arrest, right? Depends on what somebody wants to do, okay? So with that being said, today you'll be arrested for...
No.
Don't. If you do, you're gonna be arrested.
The baby's there. Can I just get my down?
It's not fair for that shit, man. You know she pulled back and...
Well, she should have come. She should not come between me.
And that was 0715.
De verdad que no tengo palabras. Este nivel de soberbia merece su propio documental. Pero bueno, al menos las hermanas se mantuvieron unidas. Una arrestada por agresión, la otra por obstrucción. Valores familiares de verdad. Culpar a alguien de robo por mala vibra es una cosa. Pero este tipo guardó rencor durante 2 años, como si fuera un plan de jubilación.
Oh, he spray painted the whole side of the house too, with asshole. Yep, been brand new siding.
What'd you do over there at her house?
I fucking spray painted asshole on her house.
Why?
Because she's an asshole.
What else did you do?
I just woke up this morning and my entire house has been spray painted and something was done to my car. So it's spray painted in black spray paint. I don't know. And they were so kind. They left the spray paint cans in front of my house. They're so kind.
Okay. Are you having any issues like with any of your neighbors or?
Nope.
Okay.
It just looked on my Ring cam. I can't see who it is. But it just looks like someone is overdoing something to my car. And then they just came up and they spray painted the windows by the front door, the dining room windows. And then there's spray paint on the house from what I could see from inside the front door.
Mientras la operadora finalizaba la llamada, los agentes llegaron justo a tiempo para atrapar a la mujer en plena espiral. Y no fue por los ladridos de un perro. Fue una paranoia real y calculada.
I'm really freaked out because my husband's not even home.
Your husband's not here?
No, he's not.
You're home alone?
I'm home alone.
All right.
And I woke up to the...
What's your name?
I'm having
No, it's okay.
a panic attack.
Let's go inside and relax.
Yeah.
What's done is done. Next is sorting through it.
And he poured something in the car.
El pánico de la mujer es evidente desde el principio. Y a juzgar por lo que veremos a continuación, podemos afirmar con seguridad que su pánico es válido.
This is the guy, and I have him on the ring camera in the driveway.
Do you
before.
recognize him?
No, it's some old guy, and there's a logo on his jacket, but we can't see what the logo is, and we don't know what he poured in the car. And I don't know why he wrote asshole on my...
Does your husband know?
Now, the one thing he said, and he thinks he's being a little paranoid, about a year ago I had a car accident with a guy down on Bassett, right? That's Bassett over there, yeah. But he's never given us any trouble, but he was like, maybe I'm just being paranoid, because that was an older guy too. I don't think it was him.
You don't think it was him?
No, because it was over a year ago. Why would you?
Ella y su esposo sospechaban, pero no fue hasta que un vecino vino con evidencias visuales que todo encajó.
You know, I live across the street. I just saw this. It's sickening. Okay. But on my Ring camera, I don't know if it has anything worth around 450. There's a car.
Hey, he's asking me like maybe it's usually not random when stuff like that happens. It's something. So maybe they did the wrong.
I sent you a picture of that guy from last year. I think it kind of looks like him, to be honest with you.
You do?
Yeah, take a look at it and have them compare. I don't have this side by side, but it's an older guy. Yeah, I sent it to you. And I have his name on his insurance card. I'm going to send that to you too. It looks like him. Again, I'm not trying to, maybe not, but I think it looks like him for sure. Michael Dietz is his name.
Tras recopilar las pruebas y tomar algunas fotos, los agentes decidieron que era hora de visitar a Michael. Y a juzgar por su reacción, llevaba 2 años ensayando mentalmente este momento.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm on the phone.
You on the phone? You have a minute?
Yeah. You want me out or in? You guys want to come in?
Yeah, we'll step in.
It's raining. Come on
All
inside.
right, thank you. Hey, I'm Officer Salazar, okay, with the Westlake Police Department.
Okay.
Okay, I'm investigating a vandalism complaint that happened this morning at 4:55 a.m.
Oh, where? I don't even know anything about that.
You don't know anything about that?
No, I've been here.
You've been here?
This is my residence.
Yeah. Did you have some issues with the people over there?
No, I haven't been anywhere but here.
Yeah.
I've been here all night. No, I got up, I've been here, I haven't been anywhere. Why, what's going on?
Michael empezó con los clásicos. No era yo, nunca salí de casa. No sé de qué hablas. Eso fue hasta que la palabra video entró en el chat.
See, the problem is we got video cameras, all right?
Who has video?
The complainant does. We got you on video. We got you, your vehicle.
I was there then. If you got me on video, I was there.
Yeah.
Why?
Because she fucking ran through the side of my truck, and she claimed that she was going 30 miles an hour in a 25. She was going every bit of 60, and I still have not yet finished the goddamn. My medical still isn't done yet. She ran into me in 23 in the front of my house. Mm-hmm. My truck is turned, and she's trying to drive through the fucking side of my truck. Sir, you didn't have your directional on. Didn't have my directional on. You're fucking driving through the side of my goddamn truck's 8,000 pounds of truck and says she's going 30? Right. 30?
I wasn't there for that, but...
Uno pensaría que ser grabado conmocionaría a la mayoría. Incluso podría despertar cierto arrepentimiento, pero no Michael. Se mantuvo firme, dejando que su soberbia lo dominara, convencido de que él era el perjudicado.
Drove myself to the ER. I took 3 steps out of the rental and collapsed in the garage.
The rental did?
No, I did.
Oh, you did?
I collapsed by driving myself at a high rate of speed to get there. They picked me up. 6 men had to pick me up. I'm over 200 pounds. 6 men had to pick me up.
Mr. Dietz, I get that, but what'd you do over there? What all? I don't understand.
I'm fucking pissed off at the bitch.
I know, so what'd you do? I don't understand. We're just trying to catch up.
Huh?
We're just trying to catch up on what's going on. What'd you do over there at her house?
I spray painted asshole on her house.
Why?
Because she's an asshole.
What else did you do?
That's it. I tried putting sugar in the car. Oh, now you got another car for the kid? Oh, you're doing great. She's losing the house. After my big teeth attorney get a hold of her ass, that house is gone. The $100,000 insurance policy that the insurance covers, oh, it ain't gonna fucking cover near enough. Because the big ass fucking attorney that 120 gets, 100,000 ain't gonna cover it, baby.
All right.
100,000 ain't gonna cover it.
Just pause for a minute. Put your hands behind your back, okay?
No rush.
Word. Thank you.
Si Michael hubiera dejado que su abogado se encargara hace 2 años, quizá no tendría antecedentes penales. Pero en cambio, se enfrenta a cargos de vandalismo, amenazas agravadas y una orden de alejamiento. Resulta que cuando guardas rencor como el buen vino, acaba sabiendo a juicio. Michael tardó 2 años en reaccionar, pero este chico lo hizo antes de comer.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
El 18 de junio de 2024, la policía acudió a un vecindario tras recibir informes de que un joven de 19 años le había disparado al perro de su vecino con una escopeta. Pero lo que comenzó como una llamada inquietante se convirtió rápidamente en un escenario de primera fila para el máximo delirio adolescente.
Yes, I have my ID, and you know exactly who I am. You're trying to get me arrested.
Dude, if I wanted to put you in jail, you'd be in jail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why do you keep telling my brother things, man?
Listen to me. I'm going to tell you what I told your brother. Is I've got 4 or 5 neighbors on the street saying that they saw you shooting that dog with a pellet gun.
Nobody saw me shoot the dog
Time out, Chief. Time out. First of all, you're shooting that dog with a pellet gun is actually animal cruelty, which is a felony. Okay.
Where's your proof?
Dude, I can come over here and investigate a crime. That's what I'm doing.
Where's your proof?
I'm not going to sit and argue with you.
Este es Sean, quien intenta disimular, actuando como si tuviera todo bajo control. Eso es, hasta que el oficial le recuerda cómo es la verdadera autoridad.
But if you're going to start a fight with the neighbors, then I will put you in jail.
Start a fight?
Dude, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Dude, if you don't relax.
Am I getting arrested here, man?
If you don't relax.
You are arresting me here. All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Man, what the f***?
Listen to me.
Slick bitch.
You better be relaxing, dude.
Una vez que le ponen las esposas, Sean finalmente empieza a quebrarse. Pero en lugar de confesar, recurre directamente a la manipulación, cambiando el guión e intentando hacerse la víctima.
I got a job. I got car payments. I ain't done shit. I try and take care of my brothers. I try and help my mom.
Dude,
and you're
relax.
over here arresting me for
If
nothing.
you don't
man.
relax, you're not arrested being detained. Understand that?
I literally got fucking hit.
Relax.
I got fucking hit, and you're arresting me.
Relax.
You're arresting me for getting
You're
hit.
being detained.
Son muchas tácticas para un chico de 19 años. Hemos visto la falsa confianza, la presunción, el comportamiento de tipo duro. Y justo cuando crees que se le han acabado las tretas, mete la mano en el fondo de su mochila para una última crisis.
Right now, you're not under arrest. You're being detained for resisting without violence. Have your seat for me,
Resisting
please.
without violence?
Yep.
What violence did I show?
Sir?
What violence did I show? What act of aggressive
Resisting without violence. Because I told you 3 or 4 times to calm down and you come at me, threw your hands up. That's resisting
That's
without
not
violence.
resisting.
Okay. That's between you and your attorney.
Attorney?
Yep.
Why do I need an attorney? Man.
Right now, you're being detained. You understand that?
You're turning this into something it don't need to be, man.
All right. Dude, put your leg in. Now you're under arrest.
Why?
Put your leg in
Why
there.
the f*** under arrest?
Put your leg in there, dude.
Pussy ass nigga, bro.
Put your leg in there.
I'm in there.
Do it one more time. I will spray you. You understand me? One more time and I will spray you.
Oh my God, bro.
Relax.
Hay algo extrañamente satisfactorio en ver cómo un adolescente engreído es humillado en tiempo real. Sean fue llevado a la cárcel y acusado de obstrucción y resistencia sin violencia. Su fianza fue de $2,000. Nada mal para alguien que creía intocable con una escopeta. Si te están gustando estos casos policiales, apóyanos suscribiéndote y te aseguramos traer más contenido como este.